Hello everyone, welcome to HPN Infotech Tutorials. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to design a postcard just like this one on the screen that you are viewing right now in Microsoft Word. This is my postcard design sample 2. You can watch my previous video to learn postcard design sample 1. If you want to learn more MS Office tricks and techniques, quickly subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for latest tutorial updates. I have given the link for my previous video and template download link in the description below. Okay, now let us start by creating a new file. I'll just go to the file menu, click on the new and click on blank document. Now go to the insert tab, click on the shapes and click on rectangle. Then draw a rectangle. Now you can set the height for 6 inches. The width for 6 inches and height for 4 inches. So this is also one of the standard postcard measurements. You can select whichever measurement you want. And now keeping the rectangle still selected, go to the align and then click on view grid lines. So now I'll just have to move this exactly on the grid lines somewhere here. I'll just keep it at the top. Now I'll do one thing, I'll just set the fill color to no fill because I want to see the grid lines. So now here is your rectangle and the grid lines. So now what happens is when the grid lines are displayed, the objects that you create are snapped to the grid lines, meaning to say that there is a kind of magnetic attraction and that pulls the object towards the grid lines. So now go to the insert again, click on shapes and then click on the freeform line. Now I'll just zoom a little bit. Zoom in. Now carefully observe. So I want to just click on the grid line points here, like say here, like that. So I want to just click on the points. So now for example, I'll click here and then go here and click there and then click here, come back, click here and click here. So this completes the shape. So now we can fill this with the color. So you can fill this with this color. Okay, then remove the outline. So this is how you can create a shape. So now let me just tell you something about the freeform line. So if you go to shapes and then the freeform, if you draw something, so where you start, you can stop at the point and then the shape is fillable. You can fill this with a color. So I'm not going to just draw it like that. So I'm going to just make clicks. So I'll just click here, the next point and the next point and click at the starting point, just like this. And then fill the color, remove the outline. So this is the whole process. So the same thing we are going to do here. So we'll just start from here. Now there is one more thing. If you have gone wrong, like say it went wrong like this somewhere, so what you can do is you can press the backspace again and then you can redo it again like this. So if you are going wrong, you can just press the backspace and do it again. Now carefully observe. Now I am going to start doing that from here, this one. So this is the first point and this is the next point and the third, fourth and fifth. So now fill this with color, remove the outline. So this is going to be the entire process. So I have started from this point. This is very important. So I have started exactly from here. So you will have to start from here only. Now I'll continue the process. So the shapes are completed with 5 points, 5 clicks, 1 2 3 4 and 5. Now let me fill this with the red. I'll just go to the more fill, custom. I'll just reduce this little bit now. Okay, let me make this 93. So I have already used this, so that's why I'm able to give you the specific color. So 93 and remove the outline. So now let me continue the same process. 1 2 3 4 5. So the grid lines are going to help you snap the points exactly. So the grid lines have the snap option as well. So when you click on the vertexes here, so it exactly snaps there, so you don't have to worry much. So now I'll just click here, 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 and here, and here. That's all. The shape is completed. Now fill this with color, remove the outline. Now observe one more thing. I have left a space here, exactly equal space between the shapes that I have created. So this is a space and then again a shape, then space and again a shape, space, shape, like that. So follow the same procedure and create all the shapes. Just like this. Now fill, remove the outline, and then again take the free form. So in 5 clicks you will be able to complete this shape. No outline. See, I can just click here itself. So I can just click on this itself to remove the outline. Now let me zoom out a little. So I think you have understood how to do this. So now I'm going to speed up the process. So Okay, now if you have followed the instructions exactly, you should have ended up like this. So it should look the same way, like this. So the first shape is like this and the last shape is like this, and the colors are like this. Now what you can do is you can just go to the insert, take the shapes, rectangle again. Now I am going to draw a rectangle from here till here. And now I'm going to fill this with a color. So I'll just go to the more fill and then custom, and here I'll just enter a value of 241, 247 and 237. So this is the value I prefer, so I get a lighter color. I'll just remove the outline, no outline for this. And then you may also remove the outline for the bigger rectangle. You can just select that one carefully and no outline for that. Now what we can do is we can just go to the align and hide the grid lines. So the grid lines are not required anymore, so I have hidden the grid lines. Now let us create some lines. So I'll just go to the insert, shapes and tricks, straight lines. So now you can hold down the shift key on your keyboard and draw a line, and I think I can give the height of 2.79, and then I want to make this center. Now to do that you can just hold down your shift key and click the rectangle behind, select both the objects and then go to the align. Make sure that align selected objects is ticked and then click on the center. So this aligns to the center. Now I'll just click away and click on the line once again to select the line. Sorry, the line is not selected. Oh, yes, now the line is selected. Now you can use the arrow key to move it up, just like this. And then I'll just go to the format, shape outline and increase the line weight to 1.5 points, and then I'll just color this to this gray. So this looks good. And now I'll just create few other lines. Again, shapes, line, and this time I'm going to create a horizontal line just like this. And then the line thickness is going to be the same, and then the line color is also going to be the same. The width, I think I can keep this for 2.41, and now I'll just align this line to the bottom of this line. So hold the shift key again, select the other line, align bottom. So this aligns to the bottom exactly. And now just use the select and move this, use the keyboard arrow keys to move it left and right. Now visually I can make sure that this has equal space this side and this side. And now I'll just make one more copy. I can press the Ctrl D keys and this is copied. You can just move this this side, and I'll keep this somewhere here. I think it's okay. So again, move this center. Now Ctrl D again, and place this here. Ctrl D, 5. So I need 5 lines, so I'll just select them all like this. Hold the shift key, sorry, be careful. So or you can use the selection tool. So you can go to the home, select and select objects, drag a selection and select all these 4 lines. Now align them to the left, and then to make this equidistant you can just go to align and then distribute vertically. So this ensures equal gap between the lines. Now I'll just group them all together just like this, and this portion is done. Now let us create some text for this. So I'll just go to the insert, text box, simple text box, and click inside, press the delete key to delete the placeholder text, and now type the content. Now in this case I'll type postcard just like this, and then I would align this to the center line, and then increase the size. I think 21 is good, and then I'd also remove the outline, remove the fill, say outline for the text box, and shape outline, no outline. So this removes the fill and the outline colors. And now let me change the color for this. So I'll just go to the home tab and then choose a slightly darker color than the lines. So I'll just choose this one, and now I'll just move this to the middle, the center. To do that you can hold down the shift key and click on the rectangle behind, and then go to the format, align and center. Now there is one more thing to do, and that is to increase the character spacing. To do that, select them all, go to the home tab, and then on the font you can see a small arrow here. Just click on this. This would bring the fonts dialog. Then go to the advanced tab, and then for the spacing you can just select expanded by 3 points. So 3 should do. I'll just click OK. So it looks good now. Now we need 2 more text boxes here. So I'll just click on insert, text box, and simple text box once again. Now remove the font, remove the placeholder text, type the content. So in this case I will write 2. Now to keep this smaller you can just press the Ctrl Z keys, or retype the smaller case, and then now I'll just increase the font size, make this 16. One second, I'll just make some adjustments. Now let me choose the same fill color, this one, and if you see underline this like this, just make a right click and ignore once. Now remove the outline and fill, no outline and no fill. Okay, and then move this and keep it exactly here like this. You can use your keyboard arrow keys, and see visually now I think it has the same gap here left side, and also here I have maintained the same gaps here, so visually it looks good. Now I'll just make a copy of this, hold on click on the border of the text box and press the Ctrl D keys. So this would duplicate, and just bring this here down, and now type from. Okay, and now adjust this the same way, use your keyboard arrow keys. Yes. Okay, I guess this looks cool. Okay, now let us create a placeholder for the stamp. So I'll just go to the insert, take the shape, take the rectangle again, draw a shape here, and then for the height I would enter 1.25, and for the width it's 0.95. so you can use the arrow keys here and adjust. So make sure that there are equal space here, here, all let it look even. Now I'll just remove the shape fill, no outline, sorry, no fill, and then shape outline. I'll just use the same fill color, I mean shape outline color. Then I'll just go to the weight, make this a little thicker, then go to the shape outline once again, and then dashes. I'll choose this dots, the rounded dots. Now this is done. Now let us create some wavy lines here. So I'll just go to the insert, shapes, take the curve line, and then create a wavy line just like this. So if you're going wrong, just press the backspace. Just like this. Now when you're done, you can press the enter key. So now you can make duplicates of this. Press the Ctrl D keys and then move this like this. Again press the Ctrl D. So I need 4 lines like that. I'll just move a little down, little up. Now carefully select all the 4 lines. So you can just go to the home, select objects, then drag a selection box here. Now selected, then go to the format, align, right or left, no issues, and then distribute them vertically so we get equal distance. Now we can group this together. Now I'll just move this up, so make sure that it's centered to this placeholder. Now let me change the outline color of this, and I'll just go to the format, shape outline, and then let me increase the weight first. So I'll just keep 1.5. Oh sorry, it's doing only for that. Let me select it again, go to the format, shape, then this one. Okay, now for the fill I'll just go to the more outline colors, custom, and enter these values 255, 225 and 225. So this was the color I preferred. So you can select the color that you want. So I hope that you have enjoyed this tutorial. So if you like this tutorial, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel, bring more of your friends to my channel by sharing this video. So I'll just see you in the next video. So if you want to watch my previous video to learn the postcard design sample one, you can just go and check in the description. I have given the link. So I'll meet you in the next video. So until then, it's bye from hbninfotech.com.